Hi guys, today I'm here to talk about the CSL carbon pack that ourselves Carbonwurks offer. So this comes as two individual pieces which can be bought individually, they don't have to be bought together. And as you can see, the front grille, which is extremely striking, as you can see straight off, and this chunky front splitter. So these are effectively replicas of the genuine BMW versions, and it's made in the same 2x2 Twill Autoclave carbon as all the rest of the M Performance parts and all the rest of our parts as well. So this is as strong and as light as you could possibly make carbon, but at the same time we try to do it for a reasonable price. So just to go into a little bit of the design, so it's a three-piece front splitter. As you can see, you've got the main middle front splitter here and the two sides. The sides are quite cool. You've got this winglet profile here, which kind of echoes the side skirts a little bit more than, say, the M Performance pack, which you don't tend to have quite as much sculpt in here. So the idea of that is to add a little bit of downforce. Realistically, you're not going to be getting loads of downforce on the road, but when you are pushing these cars on track, it will make a difference. So it's a really nice, very robust and very nice fitting part. One that we see being very popular, because let's face it, we can't all get our hands on CSL cars, even if we were able to afford them as well. So that's the front splitter. Moving to the grille, these come in two different options. So some have a radar here, which is for adaptive cruise and things like that. So we do offer both variants. This particular car doesn't have adaptive cruise, so it doesn't need that. Obviously the number plate would normally go here if you're running a number plate, and you can use double-sided tape or something like Velcro, which is quite cool for then shows you can whip the plate off. But it's a really striking grille. We supply this as a set. Obviously you've got both parts there. The CSL badge you can see there is included, so we include that. But the M3 and M4 badge, depending on which car it's going on, that's something you can transfer over. And to be honest, it's just double-sided tape. It takes about 30 seconds to put some tape on it. So that's the overview of the part. It complements the rest of the car. I know a lot of people had gripes with the front grille from factory, the beaver tooth as it's called. This uplifts it. It looks fantastic, and we have to say this is going to be a fan favourite, we think. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll join you next time.